lose their leaves to the snow. Words cut like ice as you go. No amount of covers could keep me warm. And I've been freezing since the day you walked away. All you ever wanted was a free ride. All I ever wanted was your love. You gave it all away to start a new life. I guess what I could give wasn't enough. You left me cold. Why do we have to call it the night shift? Why do we have to hide all our vices? You just don't like it when I'm this open. I'm not crazy, this isn't a crisis. I'm just trying to figure out if I'm in love. It's not promiscuous, it's just owning it. You need to let go of what a good girl does. It's not that obvious, it's my prerogative. It might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm honest. But at least I'm honest. It might not be how you thought it, but I'm not that heartless. At least I'm honest. It might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm honest. At least I'm honest. It might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm honest. At least I'm honest. You wanna call me names? When I do what I do, but you're doing the fucking same. So don't look at me that way like you thought I was a saint. If I tell you the truth, then there's nothing else to explain. I'm just trying to figure out if I'm in love. It's not promiscuous, it's just owning it. You need to let go of what a good girl does. Not that obvious, it's my prerogative. It might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm honest. But at least I'm honest. It might not be how you thought it, but I'm not that heartless. At least I'm honest. It might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm honest. At least I'm honest. It might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm honest. At least I'm honest. Tell you the truth about how I'm feeling. That's gotta mean something. Yeah. Might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm honest. But at least I'm honest. Might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm honest. At least I'm honest. It might not be what you wanted, but at least I'm always honest. It might not be what you want.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping and you ain't been the same. Like, who been on your mind? Who got your time? Who you been vibing with and why can't make you mine? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your slime. And now you treat me like my worth less than a dime. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want to wear my orange sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm forced to get letters. Singing love songs. You got me singing love songs. Love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs. Love songs. You got me singing love songs.
I can't believe you're dying.
Love songs. You got me singing love songs. Oh, this the type of song you tip on fofos and pull up songs. Yeah, that make you fall in love song. That heavy head, what you on, make you hit me up song. Double cup, baby, I'm leaning on you. You been playing games, I'm trying to make you my boo. I don't take no action, you press 1 and I was 2. Pills of satisfaction, I take the ray, you pop the blue. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want to wear my orange sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm forced to get letters.